Hello everybody and welcome back to the Subtle Beauty YouTube channel. It's Tabitha here and today I'm going to be giving you an updated starter stack makeup tutorial. In your starter stack you will be getting a mirror lid, a powdered bronzer, a shine control powder, a lip and cheek, a highlighter, concealer, and a brush base. So let's get right into it. I'm going to start by taking my concealer. You can always use this as your foundation. It's lightweight and it is buildable. It gives you anything from a light to medium coverage, but I just like to spot conceal, so I'm going to take this and just cover up any of my spots and just pat this in all over my chin as well, which is where I tend to get red. Now that my concealer is blended out, I'm going to go in with my lip and cheek in Terracotta Tour Guide. I'm going to pick this up on my fingers and dot it on to my cheekbones. I kind of like to have it a little bit underneath where you would put a highlighter. I think that this gives me more of a lifted look, but if you want a more rounded look, you can always place it on the apples of your cheeks. Now that my lip and cheek is placed down, I'm also going to take a little bit and use this as my lipstick. Everything in the stack is always super buildable, so you really get to customize how much or how little you want on your face. If I wanted a more intense blush look, I could totally add more and get that enhancement that I'm looking for. Next, I'm going to go in and take the brush that comes in my brush base and go into my powdered bronzer. I'm going to pick this up on my brush, dust off the excess, and put this around my forehead. I also like to blend it into my hairline so everything looks super seamless. Same thing, I'm going to bring that down to my temples, and I'm going to go underneath that lip and cheek in the hollow of my cheekbones, into my ear, and down my jawline. For a super quick nose contour, I'm just going to take this and bring it down my nose. And for a quick little eyeshadow, I'm going to bring this into the crease of my eye, drag that out, and I'm going to do the same to the other side. You never want to forget your ear when you're doing your makeup, especially if you have your hair back. That way you get a super seamless base. Same thing, I'm going to bring this to my eyelid and drag this out. Now I'm going to take that same brush and go in with my shine control powder. I am just going to place this where I get oily, the shine to be toned down a little bit underneath my eyes, my T-zone, and my chin. I also like to bring it to my eyelids because I get super oily eyelids. And last but not least, I'm going to take my powdered highlighter, pick it up on my brush, and place this on the high points of my cheekbones, blend it out, put it on my nose, and my Cupid's bow. And just like that, I have a full face of makeup done in just 5 minutes using the starter stack. If there's any other tutorials that you would like to see me do, leave them down in the comments down below. And as always, see you next time.